There is this setting on your YouTube studio right now that is making a lot of creators go viral. And the funny thing is, you are not aware of it. Even your big content creators are not aware of it. I'm beginning to understand that many of them are complaining that they are not seeing visibility like before, not knowing that it is just one little setting that they have not turned on in their YouTube studio. So if you are watching for the first time, this is tubemetrixx, and here in 2026, we have the agenda of making your YouTube monetize, right? So without wasting much time, let's dive right into the video. So basically, this is the setting I was talking about. You are going to go into your YouTube studio. Your YouTube studio is always on your phone. You type your YouTube studio, and then you are going to go into the dashboard. By the top right corner, you are going to see um you're going to see your profile picture. You are going to click it, and then almost by the top right corner also you are going to see a pencil icon that stands for editing. I want to click it, and then I want to see your home tab, and then you go into it. Mine is toggled on, if you can see, but other people's own, sometimes you will notice that it's not toggled on. So you can go there right now to check your channel to know whether it is toggled on or not. So you can see what it wrote. It's saying show your channel home tab to highlight and showcase content for your audience. So this setting is very serious when it comes to visibility. You cannot be visible if this setting is not turned on. So go right now and so check. For the bonus, there are three major things that YouTube look out for right now in order to push your video right there. And one of it is consistency. Consistency is so important. Last year, consistency was a secret to grow your YouTube channel, but this year is now a criteria to monetize your YouTube channel. YouTube wants to trust you. That's the major thing. They don't want you to just abandon your channel and go like that, and then you come back another time and go like that, and then you come back another time. You have to stay consistent this year. Consistently basically means posting at the right time at the schedule that you have planned to post. That is consistently. So I'm supposed to post a video on Wednesday by 11 o'clock and on Friday by 11 o'clock. I do it. I don't wait till on Saturday. I don't wait till on Thursday, right? So that is consistently. Then the second thing is the quality of content. It is a very big secret now. You cannot just create video anyhow and then you expect maximum outcome on YouTube now. No, it does not work that way again. It was working before like that, but not that way. YouTube is paying attention to the quality of your content seriously because there are a lot of competitors for YouTube now. Literally a lot of competitors. So you need to push quality videos out there. Quality videos. In every niche, there is quality. So let me even talk about quality small. Quality means the type of your camera, the the packaging of your videos, the audio of your videos, the script of your videos, the gesture of your videos. Let every video that you make today be a better version of the one you made yesterday. That is what we call quality. So you have to keep improving on your videos. Keep improving on your videos in order for you to experience that monetization you are doing. YouTube is like trying to partner with you. So if you even go to YouTube Studio now, you will be seeing a lot of videos that is coming out to teach you how to create content. So it's even good for you to even go into those videos to understand exactly what YouTube is doing. Lastly, talking about quality content is authentic content. A lot of AI channels are being demonetized every single day right now. It's not like before again. So to me, I basically advise that anybody that want to do YouTube right now should stay out of AI channel. have basically monetized an AI channel before, qualified for the monetization process, but it didn't work because it was adulterated. It was an unauthentic content. So it is very important for you to know this. Don't just do AI, and especially some of us that like to be using computer voice, using inconsistent characters. This is not the year you should do it. Try to do something that is very authentic. Take your time to edit your videos. Don't put um copyright song in your video. It's better your video stay silent than to put music that is copyrighted. That's the truth. So it is important that we should do this. And so I believe that this year is going to be a year that your channel is going to monetize. I hope you have been able to learn something today. Please, I have an agenda to put this channel to 1K subscribers in 1 week. So I want you to like, share, and make sure you are part of my community where we will be growing together. We are going to be putting everything out to make sure that we succeed. Thank you.
tubemetrixx. Decoding the algorithm. Dominating the game.